Is Novo legit? Unpacking the fintech business bank. Ever dreamt of ditching the big banks and finding a financial partner built for your side hustle or growing business? Fintech companies like Novo are popping up everywhere, promising sleek interfaces and features specifically designed for entrepreneurs. But are they safe and reliable? Can you trust them with your hard-earned cash? Look, navigating the world of business banking can be a whole new beast. Traditional banks often have hefty fees, require minimum balances, and don't always understand the unique needs of a young business. That's where Novo comes in. They offer a mobile-first platform with features like built-in invoicing, integrations with popular business tools, and, the holy grail for many, no monthly fees. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But before you jump ship from your current bank, let's dig deeper and see if Novo is truly legit. What is Novo? Here's the first key point. Novo itself isn't actually a bank. It's a financial technology company, often called a fintech for short. They partner with a real, FDIC-insured bank, in Novo's case, it's Middlesex Federal Savings, to offer you a business checking account. So, your money is ultimately held by a legitimate bank, which is a good first sign. Pros of Novo. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Here's why Novo might be a good fit for your business. Fees. As mentioned, there are no monthly maintenance fees. This can be a huge advantage for new businesses or those with low account balances. Features. Novo boasts a user-friendly mobile app with features specifically designed for entrepreneurs. You get stuff like invoicing tools, integrations with popular accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks, and even unlimited ATM fee reimbursements, both domestically and abroad. Convenience. Everything is online and accessible through the mobile app. No more waiting in long lines at a physical branch. Focus on small businesses. Unlike traditional banks that cater to all sorts of customers, Novo is built specifically for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses. This means they might have a better understanding of your needs and offer more relevant services. Cons of Novo. But hold on a second, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Here are some potential drawbacks to consider. Limited features. Compared to a traditional bank, Novo might not offer the full suite of services you'd expect. For instance, you won't find things like business loans, international wire transfers, or physical checks. Newer player. Novo is a relatively new company compared to established banks. While they're FDIC insured, some users might prefer the security and peace of mind that comes with a larger, more traditional institution. Account closure concerns. There have been some user reports of Novo accounts being closed unexpectedly. While the reasons can vary, it's something to keep in mind, especially if you rely heavily on your business banking account. Is Novo right for you? Ultimately, whether Novo is a good fit depends on your specific needs. Here are some questions to ask yourself. What features are most important to you? Do the convenience and lack of fees outweigh the absence of features like business loans or check printing? How comfortable are you with a newer fintech company? Would you prefer the stability of a traditional bank? What is your business size and volume? For freelancers and solopreneurs with a low transaction flow, Novo might be perfect. For larger businesses with more complex financial needs, a traditional bank might be a better option. Alternatives to Novo. Of course, Novo isn't the only fintech game in town. There are other players like Brex, Mercury, and Lily offering similar services. It's worth researching these options as well to see which one best aligns with your needs. Novo can be a legitimate option for some small businesses and freelancers. They offer a user-friendly platform, no monthly fees, and features designed for entrepreneurs. However, they lack some traditional banking services and are a newer player in the market compared to established banks. Weigh the pros and cons carefully and do your research before making a decision.